তোমরা বরণ করছো?
হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, আজকে একটি নতুন ব্লগ নিয়ে চলে এসেছি। আমাদের ফালাকাটা পলিটেকনিকে নবীনবরণ উৎসব হচ্ছে। তো আজকে 2025-এর যারা নতুন অ্যাডমিশন হয়েছে তাদের ফ্রেশার্স দেওয়া হচ্ছে। তো সেই অনুষ্ঠানটা চলছে, তোমরা সঙ্গে থাকো, সম্পূর্ণ ব্লগটা দেখো। কি হয়েছে?
এখন মঞ্চে সিভিল ডিপার্টমেন্ট থেকে ডেকে নিচ্ছি জিৎ সরকারকে।
Good afternoon everyone. I am Jeet Sarkar from Jateshwar and I am reading in Falakata Polytechnic Institution of Government of West Bengal and I am in Siva.
Bye. Ruk. Eidike. Tor hobby ki?
My hobby is drawing.
Drawing?
Yes.
হাতটা পিছনে কেন রে ভাই? সোজাই দাঁড়া। শোন না। ঠিক আছে, তুই যা।
সংক্ষিপ্ত ইন্ট্রোডাকশন দেওয়ার জন্য পরবর্তী ইটিসি ডিপার্টমেন্ট থেকে ডেকে নিচ্ছি গৌরী সিনহাকে।
Good afternoon to my all respected teachers, seniors and my classmates. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself. Myself Gauri Singho. I am from Malda and I have completed my higher secondary education from Sudarshanpur Dwarika Prasad Vidya Chakra. And also my hobby is making video for YouTube. Now I am student of Falakata Polytechnic Institute, Government of West Bengal, Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. That's all about me. Thank you.
So, good morning to all of my respected teachers, seniors and my classmates. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ankur Kaur, care of Sri Odhir Kumar Kaur. I am from Purbo Kathalbari, Shilbariyat, District Alipurduar. So I done my secondary education from Shilbariyat High School in 2022 and higher secondary education from Falakata High School in 2024. I like to play chess. Thank you. That's all about me.
Everyone, respected principal sir, faculty members, seniors and my dear brothers and sisters. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak about myself. I am Mompita De from Food Processing Technology Department, second year. I came from Arunachal Pradesh. Now many of you might wonder that why I came from so far away. So although I belong to this state, but my father works there and I spent my whole childhood and school years in that state. And I completed my high secondary there and my school name was Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya. And after completing my high secondary, I took a one-year drop for my NEET preparation. But unfortunately, I was not selected there. So I hope I will learn many things from you all here. And my hobby is drawing. I like to draw sketch drawings and not painting. Thank you once again.
রিম্পা রয়, এফপিটি সেকেন্ড ইয়ার থেকে রিম্পা রয়কে।
Good afternoon all teachers and senior and junior and my friends. My name Rimpa Roy. My father name is Roti Mohan Roy. So my father work in the local area. I am complete my secondary education from. My hobby is writing. My favorite poet is Rabindranath Tagore.
and my seniors, juniors and classmates. First of all, giving this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Dona Sarkar. I am from Moinaguri, a good position in an organization where I can build my career and achieve and help the organization. Lastly, I am quick learner and willing and learning from my past experience and mistakes. That's all about me. Thank you.
মঞ্চে ডেকে নিচ্ছি ভানু সরকারকে। মঞ্চে ডেকে নিচ্ছি ভানু সরকার। পরবর্তী আসিফ আহমেদ তৈরি থাকবে। আসেনি। আসিফ আহমেদকে মঞ্চে আসার জন্য অনুরোধ করছি।
My hobby is playing football. Thank you.
অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ।
Good afternoon, all of my respected teachers and seniors, and all of my classmates and juniors. First of all, thank you for the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is On Goal. My father name is Mr. Prasanto Goal. My village is Kuilajok, Post Office Pingla, Police Station Pingla, District Paschim Midnapur. Postal Index number 721140. I am completed my higher secondary education from Ujan Haripada High School HS under the board of West Bengal State Council of Technical and Vocational Education and Skill Development. I am studying for Falagada Polytechnic, second year, Department of Mechanical Engineering. My hobby is farming. Thank you.
অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। পরবর্তী আমরা চলে যাচ্ছি আমাদের ফার্স্ট ইয়ারের। তো এখন আমরা সিভিল ডিপার্টমেন্ট ফার্স্ট ইয়ার থেকে ডেকে নিচ্ছি জিৎ সরকার।
Good afternoon, ma'am.